Hello everyone. If your Microsoft Excel has stopped working, you're trying to open your Microsoft Excel and it doesn't open, this tutorial is for you. We just need to do one single step to fix this problem. Right click in the start icon and then go to settings. Now this troubleshooting will work on Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, 8.1, all version of Windows. So once you're here in the settings, we need to go to this apps section, and at the right hand side you will find apps and features. So I'll click on that, and here we need to scroll down and look for Microsoft Office. So I can see I have Microsoft Office Home and Student. In your case you might have a different product, not a problem. You just need to click on this three dots next to it, and then you need to click on modify. And once you do that, it will ask you to say yes, and a new window will appear like this. Now, the very first thing, we need to do the quick repair. So you need to select the quick repair and then click on repair. Now, the moment you do it, it will start repairing your Microsoft Excel if it has stopped working. So once you click on that repair, it might take some time, 5-10 minutes. You need to wait and then restart the computer and see if that works for you or not. And if it's not, then do the online repair. So firstly try the quick repair and then try to do the online repair, which I have shown. And once you do that, just restart the computer, and next time when you will open Microsoft Excel, will let you open. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.